Hi, and welcome to another episode of Legal FAQ Friday, provided by the Personal Injury Law Office of Goldberg Noon, LLC, where we fight to maximize your personal injury compensation.
A question I get often when I meet with a client is, what is my case worth? And it really depends on a number of factors. Every single case is different. So if we have a case involving a young person who's injured, there could be factors relating to what kinds of injuries that person has on the day we meet that person, what kinds of, if any of his injuries resolve in the next few months of treatment, that might be the end of the case when it comes down to what his injuries are, and we can resolve it. But if that client starts treating and the doctors say, hey, we have a serious injury here, your client is going to be suffering from a long-term condition that will affect that client's remainder of his life. If it's a young person, that's many, many years going forward. So a 20-year-old with a life expectancy of maybe 80 years old, he has 60 years of future pain and suffering. So that is a factor that will be evaluated in determining what the value of someone's case is. It doesn't mean someone who's at an older age doesn't have a future care component, but that is also a factor that could affect the case. Another thing that affects the case is a case value is whether there's any negligence or responsibility placed on the claimant himself. And so in certain cases, there will be an issue where the value of the injuries are very significant, but then some responsibility will be placed on the claimant himself, and that will affect the value of a case. And then another layer of information that is really important in evaluating the value of a case is finding out what insurance policies are available. And so we may have someone who has very serious injuries, but we are limited with insurance, and that will be something we have to look forward to. And that's especially important why you need an attorney for that reason, is because an average person is not expected to be able to hunt after every insurance company and all of the policies that could apply to an incident, but that's actually what we're here for and what we're very good at. And so there's many different issues in determining what the value of a case is. First, it's medical. Second is the portion of responsibility that can be applied. And then most importantly is making sure we can hold the person accountable for paying those injuries.
Thank you for watching. For additional information on how we can help you with your personal injury case, please contact us with your questions and concerns. And as always, there's no obligation or any cost to you. You can reach us at 239-461-5508 or visit our website.